Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to open a business bank account in Gabon. So here we'll look at google.com and here we'll actually search for your top business banks account like business in Gabon. Okay, so here we can see the first bank is Bank of Central African States, then we have LUS Finance, then we have BHG and the banks. So in this video I am going to show you how to open a business bank account in your Bank of Central African State. Okay, so here you will just go to the website banks. Okay, so to open a bank account here you will be require basic details like minimum age of 18. You should have a valid identity proof, a valid business certificate, and other detail will be required. And it's very easy to open. You have to visit the nearest branch and you can prove the things and you can open it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.